Hello and welcome to Elif's kitchen. Today I would like to share with you the recipe for potato salad with yogurt that you can make in a very practical way. If you like my video, please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel and turn on the notifications by clicking the bell icon. So let's start. I mashed 6-7 medium-sized boiled potatoes with a potato masher. Then I grated 2 medium-sized carrots. I added about 1-2 tablespoons of oil. I'm roasting the carrots a little. After the carrots soften a little, I added them on the potato. Then I'm adding enough salt, chili pepper and black pepper. I add half a teacup of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Then I add half a teacup of olive oil and mix it. Now I add half a bunch of dill, half a bunch of scallions, and half a bunch of parsley, and I mix them well again. You can taste your salad and adjust the salt and lemon according to your own taste. I placed a plastic bag on the tart mold. You can also use a plastic wrap. Then I pour the salad on it and press. By wetting a spoon, you can straighten it this way. In this way, I keep it in the fridge for about 1 hour. I will prepare the yogurt sauce now. I add 1 cup of strained yogurt and 1 cup of regular yogurt to my bowl. I add 2-3 cloves of grated garlic and I added a little salt. I'm mixing it nicely. You can add 1-2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. It would be nice. I didn't add. The sauce is ready now. I will turn the salad over now. I remove the plastic wrap and I turn it upside down. I lift the bag on it and pour the yogurt sauce on it. I'm adjusting it well. Then you can decorate it as you wish. I wanted to decorate it with red scallion pepper. Again, I fried oil and pepper flakes to use in decoration. I'm pouring it on. I wanted to decorate this way. You can also decorate as you wish. As you can see, it's really easy to make. It's a great salad, both visually and in terms of flavor. I definitely recommend you to try it. I hope you will try and like it. I'm waiting for your likes and comments. Thank you for watching.